Alright, welcome back to Souflotv again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Listen, I have to set this video up properly. I put this video up before, and I had to take the video back down because I realized that, for one, there were about 40 pictures that were supposed to be at the end of this video that I forgot to attach to the video. And those 40 pictures tell a story, and I just can't leave those out of the video. This video was supposed to actually be a family project. Now, I'm letting my audience into a private part of my life where you get to see my children. You even get to see my ex-wife, who is also the mother of 2 of my children and also very instrumental in helping to raise my children. So I can't leave all that out. So this video is supposed to be like a footprint. For years from now, everybody involved in it will be able to just go to the channel and look back, and they'll be able to track where we were back then in 2025. This video is the last time that my 2 boys, who have chosen to play football since they were 5 and 6 years old, that they are now able to, this is the last time they will play a home game on their own field, their own high school field. These boys have been through a lot. They started playing football really young. They chose football, and I think football chose them as well. You know how some people force their kids into a sport? I don't force my kids into sports. I force my kids to try something. And if they don't like it, they have the option. Their oldest brother that does music and is now doing cybersecurity at a university in Florida where he stays on campus, I put him in football. And he did 1 season. And he said, "Dad, I don't want to do this." And I said, "Farai, I already paid the fees. You're already in it. I don't believe in quitting. What you're going to do is you're going to ride out the entire season playing for your team. And if at the end of the season you still feel like, I don't want to do this, this is not for me, I will not put you back in football again." He rode out the season. He played for his team. He didn't like it. At the end of the season, I said, "We got to sign you up for another season right now. So do you want to do it or not?" And he said, "Nope, I don't want to do it." And I said, "Okay, I respect that." And that was from he was very young. His other 2 brothers, though, "Do you want to do it?" Matter of fact, they were like, "Dad, sign me up, sign me up." And once I put them in, that was it. You know, they love it. This is what they love to do. And it's a fierce competition between 2 brothers to be the best that they both can be. It's a pleasure watching iron sharpen iron. And they play 2 completely different positions, and their bodies are built for the positions they play. You understand? You got to watch them to see what I'm talking about. So where we are now is a place where many people used to tell us, when we used to drop them to football practice when they started out, they were scared to hit each other or run into and take contact and all that. These are things they have to get over. There were people who used to say, "Those kids aren't going to make it. Just let them have fun as babies playing the game, you know." Eventually, by the time they get to junior high school, most of these kids, they don't play football anymore. They go on to do something else. Not mine. Here they are, graduating high school, getting ready to go off to college. I'll say this to every child out there as well who will watch this, young person who will watch this. If you have a dream for yourself, please don't let jaded adults tell you that you can't accomplish your dream. Go do something else. People will try to drop statistics on my sons. "You know, it's really, really hard to make it to college playing football, right? Because you got to be the best of the best. And there are millions of people in the U.S. who you have to beat out. I think it's better off you try something else. You know, it's easier to become a doctor or be an engineer or do something else other than to be a football player, right? Do you want to go pro?" My son says, "Yes, I want to go pro." They go, "Well, you know, that's literally 1 in every 5 million, 10 million, right? you're going to have to be the cream of the crop. I don't think it's going to be possible. I don't want to disappoint you and have you break your own heart. Try something else. Very discouraging. Grown adults like to put their failures, vicariously their failures, on younger people. It's hard. It can't be done. I tried it. It didn't work out for me. Well, that's what it was. They tried it. It didn't work out for them. You're doing it, and you know in your mind it's going to work out for you. If worse comes to worse and it doesn't work out for you, my grandfather had a saying, right? My grandfather had a saying where he said, reach for the stars, and if you miss, you will still land among the clouds. That means aim high at all times. Forget the people who are telling you you can't do it. You can absolutely do it. They couldn't do it doesn't mean that you cannot do it. So I set this video up just so I actually took the video off the channel, rearranged the video, attached the 30-40 pics that I missed out putting at the end of the video, along with other pictures or one other specific significant picture to me. This video will start out with both boys, the first team they ever played for, and they're both underneath my mom's arms. This is their grandmother. My mom is super involved in raising my children. I told my audience this over the years. I said I come from a family where my mother don't play. So I could never have like children here, there, and everywhere, and then I don't take care of my kids, right? And her parents, which are right over me right here in picture, they didn't play either. Okay, I see you. Where are the children? Where are my grandkids? Go get my grandkids. Go get my great-grandkids. That's how they were. So these children have been blessed, right? And I've been blessed. And we had to do this video properly. And I couldn't do it without putting that epic, iconic picture of my mom with them when they first started playing football, because that's where it all began. So what you're about to see right now is their final high school game on their own high school field. And they will not play any more games until they get to college after this. Enjoy. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for being a part of it. I'm a proud daddy. I love being a father. I love watching my children grow. I love being everything that comes with being a father. The protector, the provider, the counselor, the friend, the stern voice, the lenient voice at times, the joker, the seriousness, the everything that comes with it. I enjoy being every bit of it. And I think I was cut out for it. And I was charged by God to handle this responsibility. And I handle this responsibility seriously and passionately. So enjoy the video. Leave some positive comments if you have to, right? Keep the comments positive because my children will see it. I will go over the video comments anyways, and if there's any negativity in the comment section, I'll erase them. I'll say one more thing before I go. Every time we put up videos that has anything to do with family structure, positivity, your family gelling well together, your family members gaining success in life, meeting their milestones, you know, going places, doing things, I realize that the views on those types of videos are very low. And I already know what it is. My people suffer from what is called a crab in a barrel mentality. And a lot of them, they really don't like to see you succeed. So they won't even hit the thumbs up button. They won't even view the video. Once they click on the video and they see that it's a family video, as a matter of fact, once they see the title of the video and they see your family in the icon pic of the video, they just decide, I'm not watching that. That's not for me. And they'll go to something else. They would rather indulge their time in drama, animosity, destruction, all that. Those videos get lots of views. If I put a video up saying me and my wife are about to break up and she is messing up the house and I have to call the police, or I'm doing something and she got to run for her life and it's crazy over here, watch and see how many people click that video. If I say my children have met their milestones, their dream is to play professional football, we're one step up the road because now they're finishing high school as football players and heading off to college. And this is their last home game. And I can show you from when they first started to now graduating high school as football players. I don't want to see that. Keep that to yourself. But you know what? Winners win. Regardless, winners win. Enjoy the video. Thank you for tuning in. Leave a good comment over here for my children, please and thank you. And watch to the end. The pictures are epic. And I'll catch you on the next video. It's Souflotv TV. I'm out. Peace.
Good evening and welcome to Bayside High School for tonight's senior night. Beach High School. Cocoa Beach High School is led by... And now, let's put your hands together for your very own Bayside.
Big smile. See us rolling back in them bench trucks. Could you believe it was all the drinks still in them apartments, feeling fed up? Mama told me, son, just keep your head up, head up. Take it on your chin, you built the win, it's gon' get better. Running from these demons, bout to go and cop a sprinter. Gave your trap money, I'm tryna cock in off instrumentals. Or should I hit the bricks and get the shit up off my mental? I might hit a lick and hit a flip and bless my dental. Lately I've been thinking so much on my mind, don't know the meaning. Lately I've been drinking and I don't even drink shit, I've been sinking. Gone off in that deep end, floating at the bottom with my secrets. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I had a dream of myself stuck in the Garden of Eden, looked at the tree and I felt it's just me and myself. Competition with my inner, I can't be no one else. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. See us rolling back to back in them bench trucks. Could you believe it was all the drinks still in them apartments, feeling fed up? Mama told me, son, just keep your head up, head up. Take it on your chin, you built the win, it's gon' get better. Running from these demons, bout to go and cop a sprinter. Gave her trap money, I'm tryna cock in off instrumentals. Or should I hit the bricks and get this shit up off my mental? Think I might hit a lick and hit a flip and bless my dental. Lately I've been thinking so much on my mind, don't know the meaning. Lately I've been drinking and I don't even drink shit, I've been sinking. Gone off in that deep end, floating at the bottom with my secrets. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream.
You ready? Yeah. That's how y'all going up? Yeah.
I'm a Shannon because I had to watch this Nana. Remember my black bag? In that bag, there's a little clear bag. Can you get me, there's a hair tie and gel. Can you grab both of that for me?
That's your team. Oh, you mine? Yeah. Okay. They only stuck. Are they gonna allow you to
I look like a powder puff.
What the hell are you doing in there?
Walking them on. And
So it's one person?
no, we all walking them together. And Carline's wearing JJ's.
Oh boy. How you doing?
Yes. No matter what we're doing. Yeah, I know. They're all like that.
Pop,
Yeah.
you're about to see your brother play their last game. She was with her mom. They went on a play date.
Okay.
Her play date was scheduled from like weeks ago. Yeah.
Okay, let me see that. I have a play date like
It's all girls today. So Papa is with me.
oh my god, he only made it that far? Wait, we didn't even park that far. He gonna be all on it. Good, he can walk on. He can take Papa to walk on.
We cannot.
We can.
Oh.
Just ask. You forgot your tissues. Oh, darn it. Your tissues. No, emotionally crying. Oh, girl. You got tissues?
Oh my gosh. Are you gonna do this?
I'm serious.
Some of these girls are seniors. They won't be. This is their last time too.
The sweets.
Fast as shit. Fuck.
I used to be.
And the bandits.
I was.
Yeah, she's asking me to take it out. It would have looked weird with the been coming from behind nigga when she has it.
I used to be this way, you know, believe it or not.
I used to be bald. Yeah, we can't
Well, I've seen your brother's always posted you, and you've always had me. He has. He's always been the first one little girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to midfield as Bayside High School's Junior ROTC represents our nation's colors. The Junior ROTC program is under the direction of Lieutenant Commander Paul Pinnock and Sergeant Major Gabriel Macias.
I don't know what to do with it. Honest, I don't. She does everything on her own. No. Once the ends, she's gonna put hand dance, like once she had to her ends. No. Yeah, no, we didn't.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please rise, remove your hats, and remain standing until the color guard leaves the field. The playing of tonight's national anthem.
Sometimes I think about my dogs who ain't get to graduate. Only thing they graduated was the heaven gates. Couple days before my B-day, brother passed away, and we weren't even on good terms. I ain't felt Saturdays. Long live my brothers. Sometimes I think about my dogs who ain't get to graduate. Only thing they graduated was the heaven gates. Couple days before my B-day, brother passed away, and we weren't even on good terms. I ain't felt Saturdays, so I can't let this pass me by. I gotta catch the wave, and they gon' act like they relate. Don't know how action takes. Honestly, it ain't too many real ones after me. Lot on my mind, I hope my sister got that cancer beat. So they say, keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. So fuck it, ain't going to court on catching buckets. In the field with that still, if he got smoke, no we ain't ducking. Told her I ain't gangsta, I'm just sliding, say I'm thuggin'. Cause the way them people raise me, dog, I just can't go for nothing. And my dog sitting in heaven, wish I could call to say I legit. But if heaven got a phone, so I done called and it don't function. Devil on my tracks and I've been running, but how long I'm gon' keep running? Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, how when I'm fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. Brother tryna put me on the plate, no knows I'm tryna do it the right way. But my pockets ain't been up in a couple months, I'm catching migraines. Arguing with my mom about her bills, oh girl, the light pay. Ain't even had no job, I was scamming, throwing a chunk change. My brother went up north back to his city, heard he but came back able with enough food for all our lunch trays. Money problem, health problems, and on death problems. Hit my knees and pray to God cause I can't seem to solve them. Contemplating L1s, I almost dropped a comma. Tryna feed my brother cause he tired of eating pasta. Contemplating L1s, I almost dropped a comma. Tryna feed my brother cause he tired of eating pasta. Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, how when I'm fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, how when I'm fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending.
They're gonna call us with names and put us in.
My expensive Charles. So I guess, how the hell we ended up here?
Because we gotta walk them over to the home side.
Oh.
Oh, I see James' room right there, yeah. Can't miss the shoe. No, they put red tissues in. They shared all that tape? That was fucking gross. Yeah. They put it on their headphones too.
What is 44?
They started already.
Huh?
They started.
Where did they say we were? Behind you or beside you? Where?
Behind us.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, but if you can't see, you have to stand behind. So I don't want to block you. You should be up here.
I'll stand right
Since I can see over you. Yeah.
It's not doing my hair because it's coming from behind. Here. Oh my gosh, look at
There's Jaden, he's number 23, Papa.
And then Coco 77.
And Coco 77.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
My cozy has two numbers.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, because that was the...
It's 99 and 77. But one is
I'll look his old.
You see him?
No. I guess he's just playing that one position too.
It started like this. Become one, pull up your feet,
I probably wrote to be the greatest bowler alive or something like that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I probably said something like that.
Give us this picture right here.
Norman Fleming. Norman.
Then I'll line the next family up.
Daddy.
What?
Jalen and Nkosi Mackenzie. Recorded by Dad Sean, Mom Madeline, Sister Nakia, and Brother Tafara. Jalen plans to Justin and Carlos. Plans to pursue a career in machining.
So where was it? I don't know what was in the bag. They put extra stuff in there.
Wyatt Purhill is escorted today by Mom Sarah, Dad Jason, Brother Landon, Sister Daphne, Grandmother Judy, and Grandfather Herb, Dad Brad, Danielle, her brothers Josh and Wyatt, sister-in-laws Hannah and Brandon, nephew Preston, Uncle Jeff, and Aunt Crystal. Sonia, who has been an outstanding member of our cheer team for all 4 years of high school. She earned a varsity letter every year, showing her dedication, spirit, and commitment to representing our school with pride. After graduation, Sonia will be continuing her education at Eastern Florida State College before transferring to the University of Florida. Tonight's captains for the Bears are all of the seniors. Let's give them a big hand. Captains for the Minutemen are Nicholson Dorlin, Mikely Butler, Satchel Gash, and Jackson Reigns.
Look at you. You want a big pumpkin pie and you want to
This is recorded and I don't know.
Coach Go Beach has won the toss and has elected to receive.
My practice starts at 3 in the games. It's not free play. It's just I
Bro's gambling on his football career.
I put $40 and close the window.
in the jungle.
And off Patterson's the right side.
No, no.
5 or 6 yards. Gonna bring up second and 5 for the Bears.
Careful,
Don't do that.
baby.
Crackhead baby.
Come on, take your time. Let that clock run down. Don't take it. Come on. Hold. Yeah! Look at him. What now?
At the 21-yard line.
Somebody got injured?
Nobody is injured.
Yeah, this one's shaking his hand.
Looks like
What are you talking about?
The one by that old girl.
They don't stop the game for somebody shaking their hand, man.
Patterson's carry. Off the middle. Gain, now bring up 4th down and 1.
What are your clips she showed me? Come on, hold that down for 3 more minutes.
Then his ass crackers up. Offsides. Jumped offsides. He jumped offsides. Look at Kosi with his whole belly out. Look. Bro, put your shirt down, bro.
They keep pushing them back. Jesus. She swear I can't scream out of the roof right? I'm deaf over here. Well, now you know, Cora, she can scream.
What the hell did Kosi just do?
Don't know, but they didn't go nowhere.
2 minutes is a long time, though.
Huh?
2 minutes is a long time.
You okay, baby? Everybody's on their seats.
Come on, man, let's go.
Keep them where they at. Don't let them Hey, hold everything. No, you have left. Chill. Why they taking Kosi out? Okay, it's just.
mind, damn it. You said Bruno just shot me. Bruno mind, damn. That boy be in full spot.
Oh my gosh, you got he got some fun now.
Got the
One of the three.
one on the three.
I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. See us rolling back to back in them Benz trucks. Could you believe it was all the drinks still in them apartments, feeling fed up? Mama told me, son, just keep your head up, head up. Take it on your chin, you built to win, it's gon' get better. Running from these demons, bout to go and cop a sprinter. Gave up trap money, I'm tryna clock in off instrumentals. Or should I hit the bricks and get this shit up off my mental? I might hit a lick and hit a flip and bless my dental. Lately I've been thinking so much on my mind, don't know the meaning. Lately I've been drinking and I don't even drink shit, I've been sinking. Gone off in that deep end, floating at the bottom with my secrets. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I had a dream of myself, stuck in the Garden of Eden. Looked at the tree and I felt it's just me and myself. Competition with my inner, I can't be no one else. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. See us rolling back to back in them Benz trucks. Could you believe it was all the drinks still in the apartments, feeling fed up? Mama told me, son, just keep your head up, head up. Take it on your chin, you built to win, it's gon' get better. Running from these demons, bout to go and cop a sprinter. Gave up trap money, I'm tryna clock in off instrumentals. Or should I hit the bricks and get this shit up off my mental? Think I might hit a lick and hit a flip and bless my dental. Lately I've been thinking so much on my mind, don't know the meaning. Lately I've been drinking and I don't even drink shit, I've been sinking. Gone off in that deep end, floating at the bottom with my secrets. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. I went to sleep one night and I had a dream. Sometimes I think about my dogs who ain't get to graduate. Only thing they graduated was the heaven gates. Couple days before my beat day, brother passed away, and we weren't even on good terms. I ain't felt Saturdays. Long live my brothers. Sometimes I think about my dogs who ain't get to graduate. Only thing they graduated was the heaven gates. Couple days before my beat day, brother passed away, and we weren't even on good terms. I ain't felt Saturdays, so I can't let this pass me by. I gotta catch the wave, and they gon' act like they relate. Don't know how action takes. Honestly, it ain't too many real ones after me. Lot on my mind, I hope my sister got that cancer beat. So they say, keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. So fuck it, ain't going to court on catching buckets. In the field with that still, if he got smoke, no we ain't ducking. Told her I ain't gangsta, I'm just sliding, say I'm thuggin'. Cause the way them people raise me, dog, I just can't go for nothing. And my dog sitting in heaven, wish I could call to say I love it. But if heaven got a phone, so I done called and it don't function. Devil on my tracks and I've been running. But how long I'm gon' keep running? Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on it the right way, but my pockets ain't been up in a couple months, I'm catching migraines. Arguing with my mom about her bills, oh girl, the light pay. Ain't even had no job, I was scamming, throwing a chunk change. My brother went up north back to his city, heard he but came back able with enough food for all our lunch trays. Money problem, health problems, and on death problems. Hit my knees and pray to God cause I can't seem to solve them. Contemplating L1s, I almost dropped the comma. Tryna feed my brother cause he tired of eating pasta. Contemplating L1s, I almost dropped the comma. Tryna feed my brother cause he tired of eating pasta. Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, pal, when I'm fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, pal, when I'm fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending.